Dear student, I am discussing about insolation and temperature since yesterday, and I had sent a video on this topic on yesterday, you might have seen. So already we have discussed about the meaning of insolation and factors influencing the amount of insolation on the different part of the earth. Now today I am going to discuss about heating and cooling of atmosphere. This is the second unit of this chapter. There are different ways of heating and cooling of atmosphere. These processes are conduction, convection, radiation and advection. You can see over here, this is radiation, this is radiation, this is convection and this is this is conduction, this is convection and this is radiation. See again, this is conduction, heat is being transferred from this point to this is conduction, this is convection, liquid and gases are being heated by this process, and this is radiation. So let us discuss each of them separately. What is conduction? Transfer of heat by heat molecules from hot to cold substances through contact is known as conduction. For example, metals are good conductor of heat and bad conductor of air. Among the atmospheric layers, only the lower layer, which is in contact with the grounds, is influenced by conduction process. So this is conduction. Next, this is convection. In this process, transfer of heat takes place only in liquid or gaseous condition of the substance. The air in contact with the earth rises vertically in the form of terrain and further transmit the heat of the atmosphere. This process of vertical heating of the atmosphere is known as convection. For example, the tiny bubbles that continuously move upward while boiling liquids. The horizontal movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is termed as wind. In the atmosphere, winds are of great importance for transfer of heat and precipitation, etc. So this is convection. This one is radiation. In this process, heat is transferred directly from space to atmosphere. The earth is relatively less hot and the waves that are reflected back are in the form of long wave radiation. So this is the process of radiation. And the next process is advection. The transfer of heat through horizontal movement of earth is called advection. The air masses in the form of wind blow from one region to another. For example, hot to cold region and vice versa. This is the process of advection. See over here, this is a warm air coming from the warmer moist air, move over a colder surface. See, this is warm air moving towards this colder surface. This is cold area, and when this warm air is moving towards this area, it is forming a huge fog over here. So this formation of fog is because of advection, transfer of this warmer air to the colder surface, and in this way this fog is being formed over here. So these are the main types of heating and cooling of the atmosphere. Next unit of this chapter is terrestrial radiation, which will be discussed in the next lecture. That's all.